Good morning. I'm here making my coffee and I just got my hands on a French press and I got some vanilla flavored coffee. I hope it tastes good. Wow. I think and wait for 3 minutes.
A few minutes later.
It's time. Let's see. Okay.
Smelling, it's smelling.
Together. It smells so good.
Drink it. What the hell was that? Yeah, it was good. It's good. Is it?
It is so smooth. Try it. That's not a sip. That's a milli sip.
That was a bigger sip than yours.
No, that's a milli sip.
No, it's good coffee. It's just not the kind of coffee that I prefer.
I put milk and sugar in it.
I don't use milk in
Not milk powder. I put some milk powder and give you.
No, but I just had a cup of coffee. I don't need one.
But how is it?
It's good.
Will you drink with me?
No.
Will you enjoy coffee with me?
I enjoy
Pressed
coffee.
coffee with me?
But it's got a vanilla taste to it.
Exactly.
Who likes vanilla flavors? Exactly. You have to go to gym.
So,
Hurry up!
everybody's gonna take time to cool down.
You're making hot coffee and you're waiting for it to cool
What's
down.
time?
It's 9:11.
Yeah, we have time. We're going at 10. We're going at 10.
Why are we going again?
Because I have to write my morning.
The later we go to gym, the later we start work.
I have to journal.
Oh, you have to journal.
We go at 10 o'clock, we come back by 11:15.
And what if we don't?
We will shoot. What if we don't?
I know we will shoot, but what if we don't start by
We
12?
have to because today. I'm getting my MacBook!
You want to become a professional editor?
Ro, Peace Lily bloomed!
Oh wow,
How do you feel about that?
that's very pretty.
So pretty. Just look at it. One more is coming, see? And one in our room also is there.
Little baby lily.
Little baby Lily.
In our room also.
Yeah.
Wow.
So Rohit never understood plants, never really showed an inclination for liking flowers and things like that. But he saw me and how much I love my plant babies. He has that understanding. Now when I show him a nice tree, a very beautiful looking tree, he'll actually say, oh wow, that's actually very beautiful. Wish in the comment. So I bought a laptop and I always buy my gadgets from one guy in Four Bungalows. He's a really sweet fellow. I was busy with some work, so he said मैं recharge करा दूँ क्या, and the payment was clear. Oh my god, 1 second, I'm gonna go get that guy, but I'm gonna tell you the whole story. Why?
The incident was that this is obviously, forget it's a MacBook, it's expensive for sure. But he said he had an accident. So of course the first thing comes to mind is any damage to the piece or whatever. But what this guy's done, now these guys have a habit of vanishing. It's not the first time it's happening, but usually it's something that's worth 2,000-3,000 and all, you can let it go.
Yeah.
But something that's worth 1 lakh, obviously you'll panic, right? And now the guy who has delivered it to us, the shop guy, he said he has delivered it 1 hour ago.
Yeah.
Now what this champion has done, just to show that he is delivering beforehand, whatever, or maybe they get some incentives in boards, so I don't know how it really works. But for whatever godforsaken reason, he was still a kilometer away from the house. He has said delivered right there because he was like, anyway, I'm just about to reach. So I'll click delivered and I'll come and deliver it for whatever. After he's clicked delivered, he's gotten into an accident because he was trying to evade some girl. He was going to hit some girl, apparently. Now, I don't know what all he's saying because there's not one scratch on him. He's saying he had an accident, so he was pulled to Kuraj station. We have been trying to call him for the past 40 minutes. The problem with this is, it's fine, okay, you have a tough job. This shit happens. You're stressed. You want to deliver on time because it is a hectic job. I get it. But when there is something worth so much that you're carrying as a parcel, does it make sense for you to say it delivered before you have actually handed it to the person who's supposed to receive the item? I'll tell you what is the biggest issue with this. Borzo, VFast, whatever it is, as a delivery app, yes, it is very convenient when it's small items where even if it probably goes missing, you won't panic that much.
No, but what if it's
But when it comes to things like this, their customer support.
Yeah.
First of all, you can't find it anywhere. There is no phone number. You try to get in touch with someone. We sent countless messages. There's been not one response. All we're getting is Borzo takes 2 minutes to reply to your messages, and even that took us so long to finally find where to navigate. Only God knows. It is the worst customer support out there is. I don't think I'm going to be using VFast as a delivery app ever again.
Me neither.
First time in her life, she's come to a point right now where she had the courage to spend so
Yeah.
much for one laptop for the first time. She'd never done something like this.
Correct.
And this is what she had to go through. Multiple reasons why I am pissed off. Right now, I am very settled at my position that Borzo either needs to buck up its customer support or there are going to be a lot of people having this issue. But I'm done with the app.
What was supposed to be a very exciting event for me, I don't think I want to look at the laptop right now, not in this state. And I want answers from Borzo, what you're doing, how you're keeping a check on your employees, what is up with you guys. Give me some water, please.
Shut up and wait. Sorry, wait. No. You please, you need. You need more water more than anyone else. We're going to take some time to get back our composure.
No, but I'm sure comment section में लोग बोलेंगे कि इंश्योर करो मुझे नहीं पता हम तो फिर भी शायद कर लेते
हाँ नहीं
शायद दूसरा
बाबा
कोई
नहीं
नहीं
बाबा
करता.
these people whoever is writing those comments they are perfect humans, they know how to operate and navigate through life. This is what happened with us.
Yeah.
It's just something that we are venting out with. That's it.
Yeah.
Okay, so you carry on with whatever you have to. But it is still a good evening.
Oh.
So this is supposed to be a very exciting moment for us, and I want to be excited when I'm opening that or when you're opening that.
Yeah.
So we're gonna take some time to chill.
Have a few drinks.
I don't mind.
I'm
Get
feeling
back-
now. I'm feeling bad also for him because I know what you're saying about people working under high pressure. There should be a way
Okay.
that the customer signs.
Okay, maybe if you're looking for solutions in that way,
Yeah.
there should be something in their app
Yeah.
that doesn't allow them to say delivered
Correct.
until there's a approval from the customer. Because then this is going to happen all the time.
Yeah.
And this is not the first time it's happening. There's been times that we waited for 3 hours also for a
Correct.
delivery to come.
Correct.
But I wasn't panicking then
And-
because it wasn't a 1 lakh laptop.
And I'll tell you what happens sometimes. Sometimes what happened is I was calling for Papa's medicines from Grant Road. So from Mia Road it's quite a distance. And so on the way they have a lot of deliveries to make. Because they want to do that also कि Mia Road जाते जाते जो भी पास में deliveries है I'll do that. So they'll tell you please मैं deliver दिखा दूँ ताकि I can do that. You know? And once I did that also कि चलो यार दूसरे delivery कर देगा. But then I realized if I do that tomorrow there is no proof that I got my product even if I didn't. But something like this for the first time with something most expensive we have ever called on Borzo.
Yeah.
And I think the last.
How I wish he didn't come at that time. Kurat police station is like right outside our main
Correct.
gate.
Correct.
I wanted to go and see if he was there. I'm telling you, I know these guys. I know what kind of excuses they've given in the past. Also, I'm sure this guy wasn't over there because there's not one scratch on him. He's smiling. He only started frowning when I started shouting at him.
But why would he lie about Kurar police station?
But just maybe he's gone somewhere else, gallivanting or doing something else.
Impossible, yeah.
No, they've done that in the past, na? When the tracking is sent to me, I can see the guy going here, going to a destination, suddenly he goes off track. And after he goes off track, his phone is also unavailable. At the end of all of this, we might be a little hysterical right now or whatever because emotions are a little heightened. After we calm down, I'm sure we're going to be like, let's not, I'm saying about this guy, let's not have any, assumptions about where he was.
Yeah.
Maybe he was there,
Maybe,
poor guy.
yeah.
But stupidity is the fact that this kind of thing is allowed to happen. And the fact that there is no person overlooking it from the company because there is no customer support.
Yeah.
Because they take a million years to get back and the customers are left hanging. If the guy just doesn't answer, that's it.
Yeah.
It's over.
It's over.
There's nothing that we can do because there is no customer support.
There's so many issues that happen with Uber,
I mean, yeah, see, they take time to get back, but they get back.
but they get back.
Every customer support does reply and it's and the thing is, it's easy to find. Support, click,
Yeah.
there.
I don't think Jayesh Bhai is also using VFast anymore.
That's the point. That's where we normally
That's-
get
yeah.
all our electronics.
Really sweet guy, poor thing when he was hyperventilating. I'm feeling so bad for him. I don't sleep in the evening. For once I slept at 6 o'clock, I woke up at 7 o'clock. My whole world has gone haywire. Apparently, Rohit is going to take the lift to go down and check with the guard whether our parcel from VFast has come or not. This product of mine from Amazon that I ordered was left by the delivery partner at the lift.
Wait, not even on our floor.
Oh,
Yeah, it was 3 floors upstairs. They left it outside the elevator and left the building. And you know what happened? The security guard downstairs, what they normally do is they send security personnel up and down the entire building just to check if everything's okay.
Yeah.
So when that guy was taking his round, that's when he found this box lying outside the lift and he's like, what is this? Because 3601 is written on it, they kept it down the reception. So when I went downstairs, like, sir, up 3601, right? I'm like, yeah.
and he must be thinking it's my VFast parcel.
Yeah, but then I saw it's like,
It's a squash racket that I ordered for.
it's Lindy is like, oh, madam is starting squash. But yeah.
But what is this?
Today is a crazy day for delivery. And see, I don't know, someone is probably doing a very sweet gesture by sending us some food.
Not your mom.
But she picked now only to do something.
Can you believe?
She has never
while,
done this.
While all of this is happening, a random food parcel from Swiggy has come to us, and we're like, who is? And in that whole thing, I'm like, who is going to think of this? I'll come to this later. Then his mom is messaging me. I hope you got the parcel.
Yeah. So
I mean, she's never done this. She always calls and tells I've ordered something for you.
she sweetly wants to surprise us, but she had to pick now.
I don't know what is happening.
Hello, wait. Mom, wait. What did you want to order for us?
I wanted to order armrest.
And what have you ordered? I'm reading chicken tikka on it.
And we have received 8 pieces chicken tikka.
Listen, Rohit, I'm going back to sleep. I think I should sleep.
What a day for deliveries. So, Kanu just had a chat with the Cellpoint guy, the guy who sent us the laptop. Apparently, he's just told us that while I was kind of raising my voice at the delivery guy outside, while he was talking to me, because I saw him on the phone, now I know what he was doing. He was texting the Cellpoint guy saying, I'm still at the police station, avoiding his call, which means I was right. He was lying. I assumed it, I know, but I could see it. I mean, he was absolutely okay. He was smiling when he came to me. No guy's going to smile coming out of the police station without a scratch on him after an accident and be so calm and cool and composed about it. I saw right through him, yeah. So he was lying. He wasn't at the police station. Of course, he just pressed delivered and he went gallivanting somewhere. So.
Finally.
Wait, you're sure? No celebratory drink whatsoever?
No. They've made it in such a complex way.
Oh yeah! Wow. How are you feeling, baby? Your own laptop.
And it's so perfect. It's cute. It's small. It's not too big. And
Yeah.
it's light.
Yeah, it's light, it's perfect, it's classy and very fragile. Now you're going to edit all your reels
Yes.
by yourself.
With your
Complete.
help. Listen, your editing skills are great.
But the whole point of this was to finally to get you to a place where you can do it on your own
Absolutely.
instead of relying on me.
I can't wait.
Yeah, no, that's not how it is.
Yay! It's here. बाकी कल करेंगे आराम से. Today is Papa's birthday, so I'm taking some flowers. I've packed some food for him. There's his favorite dal and some sabzi. He's not been in the mood to celebrate his birthday since mom, and I understand why, because it's literally 1 week after mom transition, so he's obviously pretty affected by it. And I really want to do something with him. Like, I wanted him to come over to us, we'd play board games, but he was just not in the mood. So that's the least we can do. At least we can just be with him and probably order in food. I'm going to ask him if he wants to go to a restaurant to eat food, but if he doesn't, I'm going to respect his boundaries and just spend time with him. In fact, for mom also, I want to do so much for her birthday, but towards the end, she had no energy for her birthday, so I couldn't do much. And now Papa doesn't feel like celebrating his birthday, so it really sucks that now when you're financially a little more stable and you can do so much for your parents, life gets in the way. So it's a very difficult time. It gets very emotional, but whatever little bit you can do, make the most of it. That's it. Let's see how the day goes. No high expectations, just spending time with dad. Happy birthday!
क्या है?
Open at least.
Yes.
But why? I don't need laptop.
It's too bad, now you have to keep it. Your laptop was very old. Using schools,
That's
no.
cool, nah.
No.
Yeah, no, disgusting.
We can't open and
How
check
much
it.
you paid?
It came for free. Amazon collaborated with us.
You know, and you know the best thing? Dad will never actually be able to find out the price of this because there are so many models that he
Yeah,
actually-
you
he
never
doesn't
know.
how to- So because they have all of them are the same name
Yeah.
and all. Only specifications and all.
You will never be able to find it
Never
because
be-
I could never find it. What to? Yeah, it's very complicated.
We were only talking in links. We weren't even telling each other the
model
name.
number.
We were sending each other the link.
As it turned out, yay! Shupu, it started. Dad has passed on the laptop to my sister to set up. So Papa has bought us to pack pani puri.
No, thank you.
What do you want?
You need a sweet. You haven't had a sweet at the home, guys.
And it's your birthday! So for those who are in Bombay, they will understand. Rohit has reached from Malad to Meera Road. And we have not reached from Mira Road to Mira Road after picking Pani Puris. That is the halat of the traffic. More than half the roads are dug up. People have nowhere to go. Crazy.
It's delicious. After so long.
This, my god, really pani is really good.
It's a Pani Puri party. Are you happy?
Record,
The
record.
moment Rohit comes, she gets super. मेरे कपड़े कैसे गिरा क्या ये बार? She hates you.
She saw me and she dropped something. Yeah. Next time you go near her, I'll drop something. I'm telling you.
So, two things. We asked the Pani Puri wala to give us aloo ka masala because we hate ragda and he just gave ragda. Second of all, that enough was a good reason for me to go back and fight with him. But then, suddenly Papa tells me, "Paise liye kya wapas?" And I'm like, you told us to? You said you paid. You didn't tell us that I had to collect change. So now $500 are just lying with the Pani Puri wala. So we're going to collect that.
No.
And
it's a good excuse for me to sit in the car now for the first
for
time.
the first time.
Yeah. Let's see the Aster. Hi Aster.
Today's weather is clear, 30.6 degrees in Myra.
Wonderful. Wow.
Wrong.
I love it.
That's why I keep saying, please take this car.
Why? Because it has a sunroof. So that when I sit it, my head can go through.
I'm gonna try getting up. Hold on. Hey, don't close, Papa. Wait.
Excited little puppy.
My first sunroof experience in my car.
Yeah, exactly.
Now I can see the destruction on the roads even better.
Wow.
From a bird's eye view. I would like this car in the hills, in the open, you know, with the trees and all. Hey, move. Left, move. What are you doing here?
Very, very royal feeling, huh?
Yeah. Like my chariot.
God
Okay, bye. Welcome to a new week. The week has started with a bang. I finally gave an audition for an ad film after a very, very long time. It became very monotonous for me. Like, I've done a lot of ads, so I just took a break and I didn't feel it. Finally, I don't know, I just felt like auditioning for this one, and the budget was great, honestly. So yeah, that's where I just auditioned. It was good. I was nervous. It felt so weird because shooting for reels and shooting for auditioning is completely different. But let's see, fingers crossed. No high expectations. You should never expect much from your auditions. Just give your best and wait for it. Another update of how we audition. I was required to wear a kurta and I'm at home, so I just decided to wear a pair of shorts. No one needs to know what's happening below here. And honestly, this was my first audition in my house. It was so good. And I'm also very excited because today I'm going to be going for a new hair color. I've had the same hair color for, I don't know, 3 years, I guess. This color kind of hasn't faded strangely, and for some reason it's become one with my actual hair color. I want to try a coffee brown color, but my hairstylist is going to tell me what will actually suit my hair, also what color will be applied, because it's become very, I don't know, they have to kind of lighten their hair first and then apply a new color. So I'm nervous, but ho gaya. I'm bored of this hair color. I need a change. But for now, lunch is very, very exciting. There is chicken 65, which is made by Rose.
Not row, rose.
Rose. And it's Hyderabad's famous dish, but she always makes it so much better. I mean, just look at it.
It's insane. The perfect amount of spice, proper Hyderabadi style. She makes it authentically the way they make it in Hyderabad. The only other place you would get this in Hyderabad is not even places like Paradise, which is very famous for its biryani.
Okay.
Places like small dhabas that they had in Panchakutta, I forgot their name. This you would get only in Old City, in places like Shadab and stuff. And another place called Yusufain.
And for me, there is, that's chicken.
What? Was that chicken?
That's some chicken gravy she's made.
Oh, good. Oh, that's delicious.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's too good.
And can you open this box for me?
Squeeze it. Oh, is that mutton?
Oh my god, that's mutton. Oh my god, just look at it. Just look at the color.
Mutton, chicken.
Chicken 65, mutton, chicken gravy. What a party. I am so excited to have this. That is a great day.
What a day.
I auditioned. We're going to shoot a reel. I'm going to go for my hair color. It's a great day. This week has started really well. So that is my yummy looking plate. I can't have naan because I'm working out. I'm not allowed to have chicken 65 either. But Rose is leaving and going to Hyderabad. We won't get this yummy food again. So I have to eat it. And there my darling husband is enjoying his food.
Oh my god, please eat. Please eat.
है ना like आज ही मेरा वापस 37-day challenge शुरू हुआ है. This is not allowed, but we're not going to Hyderabad anytime soon. So we're really blessed with this.
Hello.
We're gonna go enjoy the food now. Just looking at my hair color for the last time. I'm not gonna lie, I really enjoyed this hair color. It's starting to get really dry. Also, the color is looking a little faded. Like, I know what the original color was, so I know it's time for a change. I hope it's better than this. If not, I'm gonna cry. So, we've decided to not change the color. We're keeping the hair color the same, but we're doing highlights because Mangesh says कि वो दिखेगा नहीं. Like if I had black hair and I was going brown, then there would be a difference. So I'm doing highlights. पहली बार.
Shall we start?
Yes. So I didn't know how this process happens. We started doing hair lightening और मुझे touch up भी कराना था. So now I have to do lightening, then wash my hair, then do deposit, then wash my hair, then do touch up, then wash my hair. So basically I'm going to be staying here today.
6.5 hours later.
Yes.
What? How is it?
It's looking great. It's looking very alag. I like it.
The curls, he just got very excited.
I'm not looking at the curls, I'm looking at the color.
Thank God, because he was just like, I love the hair color, I'm gonna do the curls.
Yeah, I don't think I've ever seen your hair like this.
I've never seen my hair in this color.
Yeah, it's looking very good.
Really?
Yeah,
Am I
it's suiting you.
I'm looking older, right? My biggest fear is with the hair color that it shouldn't make you look older, right?
No, it's not making you look older.
Okay.
I've ordered some food for you. It's on the way.
I go get my hair color and you
So I know you'll come back and you'll be hungry, and she's calling me up from the road. I need to come back. I'm hungry. I'm going to go to your parents' house. I'm going to eat. I'm like, I can't even surprise this girl. I've ordered from Curry Culture long ago.
What? But then I can't eat, like, you know
Chicken kalimari kebab. Okay.
So, I just got done having dinner and Rohit really likes the hair. I'm still getting used to. It's not really showing the actual color that is like in front of me. It's showing a little goldenish, but actually it's close to a blonde. I don't know what color this is. I asked my hairdresser. He said it's a mocha color, but with high tones of blonde, which I really think I'll take some time to get used to. But it's a great change. Again, I can't see much right now. I'm gonna wait to see it in daylight and then I'll know for sure what this color is. But I'm excited. Good night. So after being very lazy for the longest time, I'm finally here at the squash court. I finally got my squash gear, my racket, the ball, the non-marking shoes, and I am looking forward to playing squash. Though there's no company right now, I'm just gonna have to practice by myself and hope I get a partner. But it's a good week. I'm really happy. I'm so happy I'm doing this. Just the smell of the squash court is taking me back to my school days. And I'm missing my sister. She was a squash champ. She would have kicked my ass right now, for sure. I hope I'll play with her one day soon.
अगर दीदी नहीं आया रोज को देखने के लिए क्या करो?
Again, she's going to cry.
Of course.
शादी करके अपना हस्बैंड के साथ आई.
Oh no, she's also
She's also crying. Okay, now you have to follow, then me, then.
I will not cry.
अबे छोड़.
Aww.
Oh no.
मिलते हैं वापस.
Bye.
हैदराबाद आना.
तुम आओ वापस.
तुम
तुम्हारा
आओ.
हस्बैंड को लेके आओ यहाँ पे. Nonsense.
उसको मार के पकड़ गए थे.
Adios.
No one guessed.
Rose's drop off is happening right now, and Rina mom's attempt for a selfie. Oh! Take है रोज,
ठीक है